You're not broke. Relax. You're just playing a game designed for you to lose. And yeah, you didn't even read the rules. Actually, nobody gave you the rules. Just vibes and monthly bills. Rent, subscriptions, random treat-yourself moments. And somehow, you're surprised you're losing? Let's fix the game.
You were told, go to school, get a job, work 40 years, retire, maybe. That's not a plan. That's a survival loop. Income comes in, expenses eat it alive, and you're stuck in repeat mode. This game rewards spending, not thinking. The more you earn, the more you upgrade your lifestyle. Congratulations, you leveled up your expenses. That's called the trap, and it's working perfectly. Not your fault, but still your problem.
The real game. Keep what you earn. Make money work for you. And stop trading time for everything. Rich people don't just work. They own things. Assets pay them while they sleep. You stop working. Income stops. That's the wrong game. You need assets, not just income. Income feeds you today. Assets feed you forever. Big difference.
You're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because the system is loud. Spend, upgrade, impress, repeat. Nobody flexes saving money, but everyone flexes spending it. So you copy the wrong players and expect different results. That's not strategy. That's autopilot. And autopilot is expensive.
Spend less than you earn. Yes, it's boring. Winning usually is. Invest the difference. Let time do the heavy lifting. Stop chasing fast money. Build slow money. That's the cheat code. Not flashy, not viral, but it works. Every single time. So no, you're not broke. You were just playing the wrong game. Now you know the rules. Play smarter.